So you can take the dog with you. Yeah, the rain gap
Yeah.
is coming.
Yes, I think so
The rain
too.
from this one has to come out where?
Yeah, we will need.
We block.
Ah, there is here. But there might be something happening at the top.
Yes,
there.
I think so.
Oh, I like these windows.
Yeah, the windows, yes.
When you want to call for lunch.
Yes, the bell.
The
Yes,
bell?
yes. We have noticed in the most houses we have seen,
Oh, yeah?
they
They have a bell?
They have a bell, yes.
That's probably the water evacuation, no? With the one, the kitchen or
Yes,
something with
yes,
the one.
yep. They have a ladder. Hey, hey. Did they have water bike?
Yeah, they have.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You like this one? Come. Okay, let's go ahead. Go. These are our buildings. Này, không hề. Ôi em mà gì được chiếc ôm thế. Yeah. Oh yeah. Toby, come on. Nice garden. Maui. Look at that. That's the garden. Come. Okay.
As you can see on the left side is an inner waterway. This wraps around the whole of the property. If Canal Midi overflows, this will fill up first. And on the right side is a pond. There are a total of 3 ponds in the property which will also fill up in case it's needed. In 2018 was the worst flooding in 100 years and at least 15 people died. We're uncertain that Castelnaudary was also affected in this flooding.
And that, wow. There's an old bridge, the swing bridge, that is swing out to cross to your own. Wow, that's beautiful. It's so charming. This is nice. I love it. It could be done, but it needs some imagination to make it look nice again. It could be done very nicely. But falling in love with this area. It's surrounded by water, this land. Everywhere it has it's a moat. It's a natural one. Okay, what is this? Here it used to be a pond, but it dried out. But you can put it back the water again. And I think this is a vegetable garden once upon a time. There's a pond. Where's the water? Yeah. What is that? What is that, movie? What? Is that where you have water? Okay. This is nice. Wem's ka paisa ka? Wem's ka paisa? I can put back the moat. The town needs help, needs a lot of work to update it, and total renovation also inside and also on the roof area to make it good again. And it's going to be a very good house. It's a nice house. I actually fond of it. I think Johan falling in love with it. I can see that. Another pond in water. I have to ask him if the water here is allowed to fill up your own pond or not. Because according to EU law, you're not allowed to, but let's find out. Where he put water? Hey, come. Martin. Martin. Oh, they're thirsty. It's supposed to be the driveway 500 meters. Mami, no bitita. The bell. Charming. We're going to the our building. And this is the guardhouse out here, where we could rent out. That's the driveway. Cool. This is the little house that a lot of people want to rent. We can turn it to a gym, have its own pool. A little crack there also. The house around here seems to have foundation problem. Everything is cracked through everything. And that was worrying. This means that at one point, it's gonna have to be fixed. No bees, hot. This is our building. Also cracked. It's a really big land. Oh, this is land that belongs to the property. The garden is very nice.
Yeah. And you see the access bridge to the canal?
Yeah, I saw the swing bridge.
one, yeah.
Is the water around it? It can be filled up again or not?
Yeah, and you have a pump in the corner. I'll show you.
Can it is it against law or not?
Which one?
That you take water.
You can take water from the
Okay.
canal. You pay 400 euros or something per year, and there's a pump
Oh,
which
okay.
feeds there. And there's a water tower in the corner there which fills up, so you can feed the
Oh,
water to the garden or
that's
what you need
good.
to do.